All right, so we've got this door closer for the garage door. The opener closer's not working, so let's take a look on the inside and see. Usually if something's not working, the contacts become either corroded or dirty and don't want to work. So this thing works off of 3.5 volts DC through that communication wire. So when we get to the back side, we're going to cover the terminals. Let's see here. Hopefully they won't make contact. Holding it in. Who would have thunk? It's one of those little guys. Oh man. Well, I don't know if we can really clean that, but sometimes it wants to work and sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes they get corroded on the inside of there. We might could warm that up, but if we warm that up, it'd be kind of hard to get back together. But inside there's a little contactor. It is not working all the time. Might be able to drip some alcohol in there. I don't know. Well, we'll see. I don't want to resolder that. I don't have any of those. All right, so I've decided we're gonna like poor boy this. So we're just heating up these little plastic tabs, and then we're gonna pop it off. So be very careful here. Let's see here. You can see it looks a little corroded in there. That is probably part of the reason. Let's see. The back side of this contact, not really wanting to get good contact connectivity. See if we can kind of slowly scrape this here. Sometimes just a matter of doing that will make a difference. Kind of just clean that up. And then we'll pop that back on there. It's just cup shape, as you can see. And as you push down on it with this little button piece, there we go. And then that's it. So what we'll do is we will warm this up again. It doesn't take much. That should be it. Once it pushed that plastic through and flared, that holds it. So we'll put it back together and see if try to do that a little different this time. See if we can. Well, that was so close. There it is. Okay. So we'll get these on there. So it's labeled black, white, and white. So when we go over there, and let's see, that one. And then cover these terminals so we don't short anything out. And then should be good. All right, so we've got this thing put back together, and we're gonna go ahead and see if it works on the push. All right. So, success cleaning the little contactor micro switch. So, problem solved. You know, here in McDiesel Rehab, I kind of fix everything. So, yeah, pulling it apart, cleaning that little part, and putting it back together. You can buy those things. They're probably, you know, I don't know, I'd probably say probably around $1, but who knows? They could be 20 cents, they could be 17 cents, they could be $2. But you can look them up online and you can buy them. But instead of buying it, I just took the time to take it apart and clean it and put it back together. And success. McDiesel Rehab, where we fix everything. That's what we got to do. McDiesel Rehab out.